Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Unbox your Ellipse X card and verify the contents: the metal card unit, USB-C cable, and quick start guide. Inspect for a serial number and metal finish. Keep packaging for warranty. Charge the card with the included USB-C cable for 2 hours until the battery indicator shows 3 bars. Power on by holding the side button for 3 seconds, then choose English from the language menu. The device is air-gapped. Do not connect to a computer. Proceed to the next step to create a wallet and backup. Tap Create Wallet on the Ellipse X card, and the device will prompt you to set a PIN. Choose a 6 to 12-digit PIN and confirm it twice. The card will then generate a 24-word recovery seed on screen. Write the seed down in order on paper, not on a phone or cloud, and store it in a secure, fireproof place. When prompted, confirm your 24-word seed by selecting each word in the correct order. Do not photograph the seed or share it with anyone. Install the official Ellipal mobile app on your phone and open it to create an app wallet profile. To pair, in the app choose Add Device and scan the Ellipse X card QR code shown in settings on the card. Pairing uses QR, not Bluetooth. For transactions, create a send transaction in the app, export an unsigned QR, then scan that QR with the Ellipse X card to review details offline. Confirm the amount and address on the card. Approve with your PIN to sign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.